In this video, I will show you how to delete all mails in your Gmail account at once without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, you want to make sure you head over to your phone settings. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, open up your phone settings. The next thing you want to do to scroll down right here, proceed to Google right here. Go ahead and click on your Google account. Proceed with Google account. Then scroll down right here. Click on data and privacy. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Then go ahead and click on remove data from services you no longer use. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here, as at the time of making this video, I have 2,572 mails in my Gmail. If you want to delete in my Gmail, however, this depends on the kind of number of mail you have in your Gmail that will determine the total conversation right here. For you to completely delete all the conversation and mails in your Gmail to empty your box, go ahead and click on this trash bin right here. Once you click on this trash icon, all mails in your Gmail will be completely deleted in a single click. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.